made it this far, thank you for allowing me the opportunity to share with you BBQ Daddy's cheat code. Now check this out. This is just a sample size bottle. The retail bottles will be coming out here very soon, and you will be one of the first to know. And then because you were one of the first 100 people to get a sample size bottle, you'll get a very good discount on the bottle when it finally does come out. So again, this is a sample size bottle. If you want to know the ingredients, go back to the page that you filled out to get the information to be able to send this to you. All right, it has all the labels and everything on there. It is gluten-free. You don't have to worry about any allergens. There's no nuts in it, so you're good to go with that. Now, to use this here, what I do is don't use this, don't put it on food and pour it right into something. Let your food sit and marinate for at least an hour before you put it on the grill, in the oven, on top of the stove. When I just say food, I mean anything. Whatever you're cooking, chicken, beef, pork, vegetables, eggs, or whatever. Don't let the egg sit for an hour. But put it on your food, whatever you got, let it chill for a minute, and then cook it. Then cook it however you decide you want to cook it. And then what I like to do even is just after you take it out, when it's nice and hot, sprinkle a little bit more on top of it, all right? And then the only thing, anything added that you could want to do to it is maybe you can add a little cayenne, because there's no necessarily hot spices in here. As far as anything that'll make you tingle, it's just a really good all-around rub, that not even a rub, but a premium spice that you can just put on anything. So I'm really interested to hear your thoughts. Please click below and then upload your video, upload it to YouTube, send me the link, and then what I'm gonna do is choose maybe about 10 to 15 different videos of you guys, and then we're gonna put those together to make a commercial, because you guys, I appreciate you, with your video reviews are going to help me to be able to launch this process. Now, the logo is gonna be not completely different, but different than this. The bottle's gonna be about that big, and on the side there'll be another QR code, actually the same QR code that you'll be able to, once you make your purchase, to come in and get recipes that I'll be doing twice a month, all right? So not only will you have your bottle of BBQ Daddy's cheat code, you'll be able to tap in to get different options, different ideas. And I'm not saying you can't cook, but then just different ways that I learned how to cook, because check this out. I didn't go to culinary school. So I'm not gonna be showing you all these different super high techniques that nobody can do unless you go to culinary school. I'm not showing you how to use your knife and cut and souffle and blah, blah, all that stuff. I'm gonna show you how to cook, all right? So with this cheat code, use it. Please use it. Like I said, use it. Let it marinate an hour before you put it in the oven or on the stove or however you decide to cook it, out on the smoker or on the grill, and then sprinkle a little bit more on top of whatever item that you're cooking just afterwards to give it that little extra crunch. So it's very versatile. It goes, like I said, on anything. I appreciate you, and I appreciate your time. I appreciate your efforts even just to fill it out, and I definitely appreciate your support. This is just the beginning. Mark my words. You're hearing it now. This is just the beginning, and you are helping BBQ Daddy to launch something crazy. All right, this is gonna go crazy, and I believe in this product. I believe in you guys, and I thank you for believing in me. All right, so use it. Upload your video. Send me a link. Upload it some kind of way. Send it to the information on this page. And man, I so appreciate you. And from there, if I decide to use your video, I'll be contacting you, and then we'll have to sign some kind of waivers and all that fun stuff. But man, I appreciate your support. I don't know how else I can say it. And I'll be saying this until the end of time. Hopefully I'll be saying it while the cheat code is in every single household, however. So I'll also be showing you guys, you'll have first exclusive looks on things that are coming up, when stuff is coming out. So thank you, y'all are in, all right? BBQ Daddy cheat code, use it, open it up, smell it, see what it smells like. Oh man, taste it before you put it on. Do all the things. Let me know what you think about it. And then hopefully you like it. And then we'll be going from there, all right? Appreciate y'all. Thank you so much. And I'm very much looking forward to hearing your thoughts hopefully mostly good, about BBQ Daddy cheat codes so we can take this thing off to the moon. All right? Love, peace, blessings. Holla.